Welcome to QRepublic. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, like and share.
Welcome back to QRepublic. Today is November 23, 2020, Monday. ASEN to ensure coal plants reliability. RCBC scores Platinum, Gold in MARCOM 2020 awards. And our objective really is to make sure that there will be no delays, especially in the airsides. So that's according to Megawide. Check po natin yung mga news na yan later. Ang mga stocks na re-reviewin po natin for today, these are Pure Gold, MRC, Merrimart, San Miguel Corporation, Abacor, PHA, Chelsea, Vistaland, Semirara, RLC, Megawide, RCBC, and AC Energy. Sa mga bago po nanonood ng video na ito, inaanyayahan ko po kayo to subscribe on this channel para maging updated po kayo sa mga bagong videos na nilalabas po natin, particularly sa mga insights na binibigay po natin sa ating mga stocks. Like and share this video as well para mapagbigay insights din po tayo sa iba. Maraming salamat po. Update lang po tayo sa ating PSEI. Nag-close po tayo at 7,178 today. Meron po tayong pagtaas na 0.12% from 7,169. So we are still maintaining the 7,100 level area and nagkaroon tayo ng glimpse dito sa 7,200 area natin. So hopefully, ma-attain natin siya by next week kasi it seems that medyo malakas yung ating selling pressure or rejection upon reaching this 7,200. So we are anticipating little consolidation muna. Hopefully, ma-reach po natin siya by next week or the following week. Trades natin, 212,000, sobra 212,000 or more than 212,000. And meron po tayong net foreign na negative 351 million. So that is after netong 211 million. So baga parang naging even siya. So from November 13 to November 23, we can say na wala po tayong support coming from the foreign investors. Dito po sa chart ni PSEI, nagkaroon po tayo ng strong selling pressure upon reaching or breaking this 7,200 area. So okay na sana, kaya lang nagkaroon pa rin tayo ng selling pressure dito or parang price rejection. So far, ito po yung ating resistance, 7,200 and then support around 7,036. So marami po yung nagsasabi na medyo pangit yung ganitong klaseng candlestick. Pero ang magandang ginagawa po natin is that we are still in the uptrend channel na meron tayo dito supported by the moving average 20. And then for our Ichimoku Cloud and Bollinger Bands, we are trading very strong. So uptrend pa rin naman po. And dito sa momentum natin sa ating stochastics, we are still in the overbought area. So kung maging pangit man po itong ating candlestick na to, at least we can still maintain this 7,000 area. Hopefully, yung mangyari lang po is yung kagaya na nangyari dito noong November 10. So after ng long green candlestick is nagkaroon lang ng consolidation. So hopefully, ganun lang din po yung mangyari sa atin. Dito lang sana tayo magkaroon ng consolidation sa kanya. So check po natin yung una nating re-review na stock, which is si Pure Gold. Pure Gold closed today at 43.95. Meron po tayong pagbaba na 0.11%. However, it's also noticeable na umakyat tayo hanggang 44.15 today from its previous closing price na 44 pesos. Meron po tayong trades na almost 2,000 and net foreign na positive 19.77 million. So this is the second consecutive trading day na meron po tayong green dito sa ating net foreign indicator. Dito po sa chart ni Pure Gold, medyo malakas pa rin po yung resistance na binabantayan natin at 44.15. However, i-highlight lang po natin itong parang descending triangle na na-breakout natin noong November 20. And though this one is a red candlestick, pero ang maganda rito na nakikita po natin is that na-maintain po niya itong 43.95 level niya. And then at the same time, nasa loob pa rin naman po tayo ng ating parang ascending trend line sa kanya. Checking our momentum dito sa ating stochastics, nasa 80 level pa rin naman po tayo, nasa overbought area pa rin naman po tayo. And meron tayong current support here around 66 or 65. So far, itong trend line naman natin is still intact. So we are anticipating na makita tayo ng bounce back dito kay Pure Gold. Hopefully, para matawid na natin tong 44.15 area. Kasi ito lang naman yung problema natin. Once na mabasag natin siya, we can proceed dito sa ating next resistance na 45.26. Checking the Ichimoku Cloud Indicator, it looks like na nagdikit na po itong ating blue line and red line. So ang gusto po natin mangyari is umibabaw itong blue line natin dito kay red line para magkaroon tayo ng entry signal, and that's a good sign for this indicator. Sa Bollinger Bands naman po natin, yung mga candlestick po natin are trading near the upper line ni blue line. So maganda rin naman po yung pinapakita niya. It's just that medyo mahina pa rin talaga yung dating nito ni Pure Gold. So for how many days now, nandito pa rin tayo sa area na to, and yung magandang ginawa natin is nabasag natin tong descending triangle and nasa overbought area pa rin naman tayo, and meron pa rin tayong ascending trend line na tinitingnan dito kay Pure Gold. So hopefully by tomorrow, if not to break this one, maybe dumikit tayo dito sa 44 pesos area as our closing price. So check po natin yung magiging candlestick natin dito kay Pure Gold by tomorrow. MRC closed today at 0.55. Meron po tayong pagtaas na 1.85% sa kanya from its previous closing price na 0.54. Meron po tayong trades na more than 3,000 and net foreign na negative 12.71 million. So today is the second consecutive trading day na red po tayo dito sa ating indicator. Dito po sa chart ni MRC, meron pa rin po tayo dito ang resistance around 0.55. So same resistance po tayo kasi doon din po tayo nag-close at the same time today, or same amount, 0.55. Meron pa rin po tayong support na 0.52. However, i-highlight na lang po natin yung nangyari today. So meron pa rin tayong parang malaking green candlestick dito. So after netong parang selling candlestick natin nung Friday, na kung saan bumilaw tayo dito sa ating 0.55. Pero for the last 3 candlesticks, or dito sa 3 candlesticks na makikita natin na nabasag pa rin natin itong ating parang uptrend or trading channel na ginawa sa kanya before. And normally, kagaya po ng ino-observe natin sa kanya, kapag nagkakaroon siya ng long green candlestick, it follows ng mga selling candlestick. Pero this time, medyo iba yung ginawa niya. Parang nag-pattern siya dito ng mga panong October 9. And then after neto kasi, mauntog siya dito sa ating trend line. Kaya lang, wala kasi tayong trend line ngayon. Ang meron tayo ngayon is itong box na fini-fill in natin. Parang meron tayo ditong resistance na around 0.60 or 0.64. So, just mirroring it dito sa ating parang history last time. So, itong manipis na box dito, it seems that na break na natin, or we are in the process of breaking it, and then ito yung box na tinatry nating i-fill in. So ito yung 0.60 area, and then yung parang maximum na nakikita natin dito is around 0.64. So currently, maganda pa rin naman yung tinatakbo ni MRC sa ating stochastics. Yung momentum natin, nandito pa rin tayo sa overbought area. So lampas pa rin tayo sa 80. So maganda pa rin po yung support ng ating mga buyers. And yun nga, nabasag natin itong ating trading channel sa kanya. So hopefully ito po yung tinitingnan nating box na kanyang i-fill in. And pwede tayo dito mag-target around 0.60 area depending sa trading plan na meron po kayo. So up pa rin po itong sa MRC. Momentum wise, maganda pa rin yung pasok ng ating mga buyers. So check nyo po maigi yung magiging options natin para sa kanya. MeriMart closed today at 5.52 pesos. Meron po tayong pagtaas na 1.10% sa kanya. Umabot siya actually hanggang 5.60 today from its previous closing price na 5.46. Meron po tayong trades na more than 3,600 and net foreign na negative 790,000. Let's check the net foreign indicator of MeriMart. Today is the second consecutive trading day na red po tayo dito sa ating net foreign indicator. Dito po sa chart ni MeriMart, in-update po natin itong ating Fibonacci. So ito yung parang low level natin dito sa 4.46 area. And then yung highest natin dito around 6.23 area. So in that way, na fit in natin itong mga candlesticks na nakikita natin sa kanya. And then at the same time, checking our momentum, napaka-strong po ng dating ni Merrimart. So ito po yung 80 level area natin. So after passing on this line, considered siyang overbought. And then yung momentum natin is puro pagtaas kapag po ganun yung na-expect natin. So since this time, October 26, almost all of the time nandito tayo sa ating overbought area. So napaka-strong na momentum natin dito kay Merrimart. Checking the Ichimoku Cloud Indicator, naiiwan po ng ating mga candlesticks itong ating indicator na to, pati itong Bollinger Bands natin, naiiwan din po ng ating mga candlesticks na ginagawa sa kanya. So very strong po yung dating nito ni Merrimart, and currently meron tayong resistance around 5.56 area, then support around 5.35 area. So nakakita tayo ng selling pressure dito sa candlestick na to, pero kasi yung tinitingnan natin dito is momentum, so we are still speculating na meron pa rin po tayong pwedeng itaas dito kay Merrimart. So kumbaga, dito sa Fibonacci natin, pwede tayo actually mag-drawing ng box na pwede nating i-attain sa kanya. So meron tayong parang target dito na maximum na 6.23. So depending pa rin sa inyong trading plan, pero the way I see it, there is a chance na maabot natin tong 6.23. Of course, not within the week, but soon, maybe first week ng December or second week ng December, pwede tayong pumunta dito. So again, depending on your trading plan, but the momentum of Merrimart is still high. So we are still speculating na may itataas pa po itong si Merrimart. So far, again, ito po yung resistance natin around 5.56 area, and then support around 5.35 area. So check nyo po maigi yung magiging options natin para kay Merrimart. San Miguel closed today at 135 pesos, and meron po tayong pagtaas ng 7.14%, and actually umabot tayo hanggang 142.90 today from its previous closing price na 126 pesos. Meron po tayong trades na more than 2,400 sa kanya today, and net foreign na positive 18.05 million, and today is yung ating second consecutive trading day na meron pong support coming from the foreign investors. Dito po sa chart ni SMC, it seems na hindi po naapektuhan yung perception ng ating mga investors at traders regarding with the accident na nangyari. So siguro maybe accident naman yun. Walang may gustong mangyari yung accident na yun. And so far, in-update po natin itong ating Fibonacci. So ito po yung ating parang low, 116, and then yung high around 165. So touching all the boxes na create natin dito, mirroring yung what happened for the past history ni San Miguel. So dito sa area na to, medyo marami yung palitan ng ating mga buyers and sellers. Pero dito sa box natin, makikita natin napaka-strong ng dating ng candlestick natin ngayon. And itong momentum natin dito kay SMC, napaka-strong din. Nandito tayo ngayon sa ating overbought area around 80. Pero nandito siya, bumaba siya ngayon dito sa 80 area natin. Pero yung momentum kasi is still strong. So it could be na mabasag natin tong 135 area natin or 134 area natin na resistance sa kanya. And if that ever happens, magpuproceed po tayo dito sa box natin na to na mukhang madali lang din natin mababasag. So medyo mataas yung pagtingin natin ngayon kay San Miguel momentum wise, napaka-strong po ng mga buyers, and though malaking candlestick ito and then meron tayong pressure na nakikita sa kanya, there's a possibility na ma-break pa rin natin tong 134 area, then magkaroon tayo ng resistance around 140 pesos area. Pero if hindi man, baka mag-consolidate lang tayo dito below 135 pesos. So yun po yung mga possibility na nakikita natin sa kanya. So check niyo po maigi magiging options natin if ever may hawak kayong shares sa kanya or gusto niyo pumasok dito kay SMC. Abacor closed today at 0.60 cents. Meron po tayong pagbaba sa kanya na 1.64% from its previous closing price na 0.61. And umakyat po siya actually hanggang 0.63 cents dito sa pinaka-high niya today. And trades na 533, net foreign negative 1.16 million. So far, wala pa po tayong support coming from our foreign investors. Dito po sa chart ni ABA, meron po tayong resistance ngayon around 0.0 and then yung support natin around 0.58. It seems na meron pa rin po tayong rejection dito. So sinabi nga po natin kahapon na nandito tayo sa malaking box natin ngayon, and then previously dito sa mga candlesticks natin dito is upon reaching tong 0.61 areas, nagkakaroon tayo ng rejection and nagkakaroon tayo ng slide down sa kanya. So very crucial po yung gagawin nating candlestick tomorrow. If ever man hindi tayo makaproceed dito sa 0.61 area and meron pa rin tayong price rejection, it could be na medyo mahina pa po itong si Abacor. And then, yung pinaka-nearest support na pwede natin puntahan is 0.58. So, bali, ang gusto po natin mangyari by tomorrow is at least ma-maintain natin tong 0.61 area as our support kasi previously, hindi po natin na-maintain ito. So, kumbaga, parang nabubutas lang natin tong 0.61 and then nag-i-slide down tayo sa kanya. Ang maganda kasi dito kay Abacor recently is that itong candlestick natin noong November 20 is nabutas itong 0.61 and nagstay tayo sa kanya. Pero ngayong candlestick natin today, nag-umpisa tayo or umabot tayo dito above 0.61 pero nag-close tayo below 0.61. So may weakness po tayo nakikita sa kanya. So check po natin kung anong klaseng candlestick yung gagawin niya by tomorrow. If i-maintain po natin itong 0.61 or magkakaroon pa rin po tayo ng price rejection and then bababa pa rin po tayo dito kay Abacor. So check niyo po maigi yung magiging options natin para sa kanya. PHA closed today at 0.81 cents. Meron po tayong pagtaas na 1.25% sa kanya from its previous closing price na 0.80. Meron po tayong trades na more than 3,300. Net foreign na positive 732,000. And today is our second consecutive trading day na green dito sa ating net foreign indicator. Dito po sa chart ni PHA, meron pa rin po tayong resistance around 0.85 and then support around 0.78. And then it seems that meron pong nag-try mag-shake kasi bumaba tayo dito hanggang 0.75. Pero the good thing is that na-maintain pa rin po natin itong 0.78 area or naangatan pa rin natin siya and nag-close po tayo sa 0.81. Momentum-wise, dito pa rin po tayo sa ating overbought area. So maganda po yung support ng ating market dito kay PHA. And currently, ito po yung box na finifill in natin or tinatry nating i-break. So dito sa box na to, parang yung high natin is 0.83. So mirroring po yan nung nangyari dito last time dito sa area na to. So dito medyo isang slide down lang tayo dito kasi dito tayo parang nagkaroon ng pagbaba sa kanya during August 2019. Then yung parang yung pinaka main na box na gagawin natin dito is from 0.78 to 0.97. So currently nandiyan na po tayo ngayon and ito yung i-fill in natin sa kanya na meron tayong highest na pwede makuha around 0.97. Pero previously medyo marami tayong palitan ng mga buyers and sellers dito. So baka dito sa box na to is magtagal tayo. So if ever man kung papasok pa rin tayo sa kanya, pwede nating expect na parang pwede natin maging reward maximum ng 0.97 is 23%. Pero hindi natin alam until when natin marireach itong 0.97. Pero so far, we are still positive kasi nga yung momentum natin is still high. So hopefully, ma-reach kaagad natin itong 0.97 area siguro by second week ng December. We don't know yet. Depending pa rin po sa magiging momentum natin during that time. Then after that, we can proceed naman po dito kasi historically, mataas pa rin naman po yung inaabot natin dito. Umabot tayo ng around 1.70. Pero for the current time, ito po yung kailangan nating i-fill in and kailangan natin mabasag ito. So currently, we still have 0.78 as our support and then resistance as around 0.85 per hour retracement. Chelsea closed today at 5.39. Bumaba po tayo ng 2.53% sa kanya from its previous closing price na 5.53. Actually, trinay natin siyang taasan. Umabot tayo hanggang 5.58 pero masyadong malakas yung selling pressure at bumaba tayo ng 5.39. Meron po tayong trades na more than 1,400 sa kanya today and net foreign na positive 430,000. And so far, mukhang alternate po yung nakikita natin dito sa ating net foreign indicator but today is the second consecutive trading day na meron po tayong green dito sa ating net foreign indicator. Dito po sa chart ni Chelsea. So kahapon po nung nire-review natin siya, meron po tayong nilagay dito na downtrending channel and we are expecting na makuha tayo ng bounce back sa kanya. So far, na-maintain naman natin tong area na to kanina, kaya lang bumaba pa rin tayo dito around 5.39 today. Dito naman sa ating stochastics, kung may kita natin itong trend line na drawing natin sa kanya kahapon is nabasag ng ating stochastics today. So medyo may weakness pa rin po tayo nakikita dito kay Chelsea, and at the same time meron pa rin naman tayong support dito around 5.34 area. So medyo weak pa rin po yung nakikita natin sa kanya. We are trading dito sa blue line natin. Ito yung ating moving average 20. So so far medyo maganda naman yung support nating 5.34, pero we don't know kung ma-maintain natin to. So kung by tomorrow, kung magkakaroon tayo ng magandang candlestick maintaining itong 5.34 area, we can still proceed dito sa chine-check nating 5.72. So hopefully hindi magtuloy-tuloy yung pagbasag ng ating stochastics dito and makita tayo ng bounce back. Pero kapag nagtuloy-tuloy pa rin yung momentum nating pababa, we can expect na baka bumaba pa po itong si Chelsea dito sa 5 peso area. Kasi so far today, we are hoping or speculating kahapon na mababasag natin pataas itong downtrending channel natin. Pero what happened was, nag-close pa rin tayo below dito sa ating downtrending channel na 5.39. So let's see what kind of candlestick yung gagawin natin by tomorrow. Kung papasok pa lang kayo dito kay Chelsea, let's wait for tomorrow's candlestick muna. If may hawak kayo dito kay Chelsea, check nyo po yung magiging options natin sa kanya, especially kung may weakness pa rin tayo makita by tomorrow, because there's a possibility na ma-reach natin tong 5 peso area kung saan nagsusupport tong ating moving average 50. So again, yung momentum natin medyo weak, may weakness tayo nakikita, and yung trend na dinadrawing sana natin na hoping na tumaas is nabasag niya pababa. So check po natin by tomorrow kung ano mangyayari dito kay Chelsea. Vistaland closed today at 4.53. Meron po tayong pagtaas na 5.84%. Umabot tayo actually hanggang 4.59 today from its previous closing price na 4.28. Meron po tayong trades na more than 1,600 and net foreign na negative 2 million. So after po ng 4 trading days na green, today po yung ating first day na merong pula dito sa ating net foreign indicator. Dito po sa chart ni Vistaland, we are trying to mirror po yung box na ginawa dito from this time na February 2020 hanggang March 2020. And we are assuming na tapos na po natin tong area na to kung saan meron tayong high na 4.42 pesos. And since maganda po itong green candlestick na ginawa natin today, so for me, natapos na po natin tong area na to, and we are going here into this box na meron po siyang high actually hanggang 6.30. So for the long term, ito po yung pwede nating i-target sa kanya. So mirroring po yung nangyari noong February and March 2020. So far, meron po tayong resistance around 4.56 and support around 4.42. Checking our stochastics, yung momentum naman po ng ating stock na to is very high going into the overbought area. So marami po tayong support coming from the buyers. So napakalakas po ng pagtaas nito ni Vistaland. So very uptrend po tayo dito. Checking the Ichimoku Cloud Indicator, naiiwan po natin tong blue line sa kanya, which is a good sign for this indicator. Checking the Bollinger Bands, we are trading above the blue line. So napaka-strong po ng dating niya. And checking our moving averages, we are now trading above all the moving averages. So especially itong moving average 200. So since strong po yung momentum natin sa pagtaas, it could be that tomorrow we can break this 4.56 area and we can have the resistance around 4.77. So if not by tomorrow, since nasa overbought tayo, baka mag-pause lang tayo sandali dito, then within the week, mabasag po natin siya. So so far, kung may hawak kayo dito kay VLL, so strong uptrend po siya. You can hold it, and then yung next resistance na tinitingnan po natin sa kanya is 4.77. Semirara closed today at 12.64. Meron po tayong pagtaas na 6.04% sa kanya. And umabot po tayo hanggang 12.68. And meron po tayo, or yung previous closing price natin is 11.92 and trades natin today is more than 1,600, net foreign na negative 13.73 million. So far, since November 13 up until today, wala po tayong support coming from our foreign investors. Dito po sa chart ni SCC, we are speculating to fill in this box, copying or mirroring ito pong nangyari around June 2020. So far, napakalakas po ng momentum nito ni SCC. We are trading above the moving averages, 20, 50, and 100, and we are now heading towards this moving average 200. So far, meron po tayo ditong resistance around 12.64 and then support around 12.21. Checking our stochastics, very strong din po naman yung momentum nito going up. So uptrend po tayo dito. So ang speculation po natin dito is if not by tomorrow, this coming days, mababasag po natin itong 12.64 area and then magkakaroon po tayo ng next resistance around 13 pesos. So checking our Ichimoku Cloud Indicator. So sobrang taas po ng ginagalaw or sobrang strong. Naiwan po natin itong ating blue line. Checking the Bollinger Bands indicator. So we are trading above the blue line. So super strong po itong si SCC. Kung may hawak po kayong share sa kanya, you can hold. And then meron tayo ditong parang main target dito sa box na to around 14 pesos area. So check nyo po maigi yung options natin para kay SCC, especially sa mga gusto pong pumasok dito kay SCC. RLC closed today at 17.70. Meron po tayong pagtaas na 5.73% sa kanya. And umakyat po tayo hanggang 17.98, almost 18 pesos today from previous closing price na 16.74. Meron po tayong trades na more than or 4,800 today and net foreign na negative 42.74 million. Checking our foreign indicator from November 13 up until today, wala po tayong support coming from the foreign investors. Dito po sa chart ni Robinson's Land, meron din po tayo ditong box that we are trying to speculate na same thing po yung mangyayari sa atin dito from its history last June 2020. So far, nabasag din po natin tong area na to, 16.82 ng very big green candlestick natin today. So we are not anticipating na bababa po ulit tayo dito sa area na to, and then at the same time, nabasag din po natin itong trading channel na to. Dito naman po sa ating momentum, we are going in the overbought area. So meron po tayong dito parang resistance around 100. So since yung momentum po natin is pataas, we are speculating na meron din po tayong upside pa na igagalaw dito kay RLC, especially nabasag niyo po itong ating trading channel and yung parang box natin from this low, 13 or 14 pesos going to 16.82. And we are now trying to mirror yung history natin noong June 2020. So far, ang resistance po natin 17.70 and support around 16.82. Pero since malakas nga po yung momentum natin, we are anticipating na by tomorrow or the coming days, mababasag natin itong 17.70. And for this box that we are trying to fill in, meron po tayong maximum resistance dito around 20 pesos. So check nyo po maigi yung magiging option natin para kay RLC, especially if gusto nyo pong pumasok dito or bumili ng shares dito kay Robinson's Land. Megawide closed today at 10.34. Meron po tayong pagbaba na 2.45% sa kanya from its previous closing price na 10.60. We tried to break this one. Umakyat po tayo hanggang 10.90 kaya lang medyo malakas po yung selling pressure for today. And meron po tayong trades na more than 2,500. Net foreign na negative 10.31 million. Checking the net foreign indicator, almost wala po tayong support coming from the foreign investors for the month of November except from November 20 or last Friday. Meron po tayong news sa kanya today dito kay Megawide, November 23, 2020, 12 a.m. So Megawide GMR vows to improve na IA processes. So especially po dito sa delays, kasi may sinabi sila dito na our objective really is to make sure that there will be no delays, especially in the airside. We want to fix that problem immediately by having the good experience of no delays. So that's according to their CEO. So kumbaga para may sinabi po sila dito na one of the big challenges of course is you board your aircraft on time and you are at the holding point for nearly 40 minutes waiting for the departure. So kumbaga parang naka-hold pa kayo, nandun na kayo sa loob ng eroplano pero naka-hold pa, wala pang green signal para mag-take off yung plane. So ito yung parang gusto nilang i-correct or parang gusto nilang tanggalin. So we will eradicate those types of delays and bring us to a global standard. So that's according to their chief executive advisor coming from the GMR Megawide. So you can double check this information or this news under philstar.com. Dito po sa chart ni Megawide, we are trying to fill in this box kung saan dito po tayo nagkaroon ng slide down no March 2020. So matinding selling pressure po ito. So manipis lang yung ginawa natin dito. And then for the moment or for the current time, medyo di siya ganun kanipis kasi one line lang yung nakikita natin dito na selling pressure. Kumbaga yung buying pressure natin dito is unti-unti. So which is good para ma-maintain natin siya level by level. So far, meron po tayong resistance dito around 10.58, then support around 9.58. So upon reaching itong 10.58 natin, nagkakaroon tayo ng price rejection. So same like nang nangyari dito sa November 16, after reaching itong 9.58, nagkakaroon tayo ng price rejection. So far, yung momentum naman natin still good. Nandito pa rin tayo sa overbought area. Pero mirroring yung nangyari dito last time, it looks like na magkakaroon muna tayo ng little pause dito kay Megawide, especially below 10.58 area. So again, uptrend pa rin naman po itong si Megawide. We are now here at the moving average 200. So nagsusupport naman po siya dito sa 9 peso area. It's just that baka may mga nagpa-profit taking muna and then kailangan muna mag-bounce back na itong ating stochastics dito sa 80 then bago tayo makaproceed dito. So if not by tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, hopefully within the week, mabasag natin tong 10.58 area. And if that happens, dito na po tayo magpo-proceed sa next box natin kung saan mini-mirror naman po natin yung mga candlesticks natin from February to March 2020. So meron po tayo ditong next na support around 10.58, then maximum na 14.22. So again, if you have shares dito kay Megawide, uptrend pa rin po siya. You can hold on and then you can plan your target price here. So maximum is 14.22. So depende pa rin po sa inyong action plan or trading plan dito kay Megawide. So sa mga gusto pong jumoin or bumili dito ng shares kay Megawide, check nyo po muna yung magiging candlestick natin by tomorrow. Baka mamaya mas makuha natin siya ng mas mababa pa. So check nyo po maigi yung magiging options natin para kay Megawide. Closing price of RCBC today is 19.22. Meron po tayong pagtaas na 2.89% sa kanya from its previous closing price na 18.68. And tumaas po tayo today maximum na 19.50. Trades natin, medyo hindi ganun kataas, 86. Net foreign, 0. So sa net foreign natin, medyo wala tayong support coming from the foreign investors. Well, may pumasok po nung Friday, pero hindi kalakihan. So, kumbaga parang mga 12,000, pinakamalaki na yata itong 169,000. And then, meron tayong nakikita dito mga red flags kasi may mga selling pressure coming from the foreign investors. So, generally speaking, wala po tayong support dito kay RCBC coming from the foreign investors. Check lang din po natin itong good points na nakita natin kay RCBC. So sabi dito, RCBC scores Platinum Gold in MARCOM 2020 Awards. So ano po ba itong si MARCOM Awards? So it is an international creative competition that recognizes outstanding achievement by marketing and communication professionals administered and judged by the AMCP. So pretty much good points po ito for RCBC. So you can double check and read the full article for this news under philstar.com. Dito po sa chart ni RCBC, we are trying to fill in this box. Mirroring yung nangyari po nung around June 2020. And kumbaga parang natapos na natin itong low na to around 15.50 and 17.95. Also, makikita rin po natin na binasag na itong mga current candlesticks natin, itong trading channel natin dito kay RCBC. So it seems na may bago pong move itong si RCBC. And currently, meron po tayong resistance around 19.22 and support around 18.71. So far, nandito naman tayo sa ating overbought area. So which is good, yung momentum natin is going up dito kay RCBC. Kaya lang kasi yung mga trades natin, nakita natin na hindi naman ganon karamihan. So we are still positive na mabibreak natin itong 19.22 due to the strong momentum ni RCBC. So kagaya nga dito sa Ichimoku Cloud natin, nagtitrade tayo above the blue line. So very strong po yung dating neto ni RCBC. Ang problema lang po natin is yung mga traders or investors natin hindi ganon karamihan. So kung hindi po natin mabasag itong 19.22, maybe within some few days or by next week mabasag din natin to. So far, kung may hawak po kayo dito kay RCBC, especially kung nakabili kayo dito banda sa lower box natin, hold nyo lang po siya. Uptrend pa rin po yung nakikita natin sa kanya. ASEN closed today at 6.39 pesos. Meron po tayong pagtaas na 10.17%. And umabot tayo hanggang 6.45 today from its previous closing price na 5.80. Meron po tayong trades na almost 10,000 today and net foreign na negative 20.28 million. Checking our net foreign indicator, today is our third consecutive trading day na walang support from our foreign investors. Check lang po natin itong current news natin kay ASEN regarding coal plants. So sabi po nila dito, AC Energy to ensure coal plants reliability. So far, ang magiging focus po kasi nito ni AC Energy is going renewable energy na po or itong RE. Pero sinabi po nila dito, sinabi po ni Eric Francia, ng kanilang CEO, na the company plans to divest the balance of AA thermal in the next couple of years in line with group's goal of fully divesting from coal by 2030. So, kumbaga parang unti-unti naman po nilang gagawin yun. And we want to complete the unit first. As you know, Unit 1 is targeted for commercial operations early next year. Between March and April is our estimate for full commercial operations. And also, meron po tayong background dito na parang sinasabi na last year, AC Energy completed the sale of a 49% voting interest with 60% economic interest in AA Thermal incorporated to Aboitiz Power Corporation. So, kumbaga parang mas lamang na po si Aboitiz Power Corporation dito sa AA Thermal na to. Ito pong si AA Thermal na to, meron po silang parang power plant dito sa Mariveles, Bataan, tsaka dito sa still Bataan area in Dingginin. And also, ang pinaka magiging focus pa rin nila dito ni AC Energy will still be the renewable energy. So sinabi po nila dito na earlier this year, Ayala Corporation announced that it aims to fully divest from coal by 2030. So nasabi na rin nga po yun kanina sa first line natin dito sa news. And then by 2025, they are expecting 5,000 megawatts. And then also their CEO said, the firm may exceed the target with more projects expected to come online next year as it is set to build projects in the Philippines, Australia, India, and Vietnam, which will have the capacity to generate 1,500 megawatts of electricity next year. So, marami or full po sila ng mga projects by next year, especially dito sa mga countries na to, sa atin, Australia, India, and Vietnam. So, kahit po bibitawan na nila itong si coal, they are going to make sure na mag-ooperate or bibitawan po nila ito ng maganda bago sila mag-fully divest from coal and mag-focus dito sa renewable energy. So you can double check this news under philstar.com. Dito po sa chart ni ASEN. So we know na si ASEN is super uptrend. Hanggang sa ngayon, halos araw-araw umakit po itong si ASEN. So we are actually looking for a target here around 7 peso area. And so far, meron po tayong resistance around 6.43 and support around 6.08. So maganda pa rin po yung momentum natin. Overbought pa rin po tayo. So yung market sentiment is still in favor of ASEN going up for its price. So far, we can still see na mabibreak po ito ni ASEN itong 6.43 area and we are now going here in the 7 peso area. So far, we don't know yet if magtutuloy pa po tayo after basagin itong 7 peso area. Pero so far, itong tinatakbo natin, after basagin natin itong ating trading channel sa ibaba, is nagkaroon tayo ng bagong move and we are creating a new box here going to the 7 peso area. So i-highlight lang natin siya. So kumbaga parang yung pinaka main target natin dito is the 7 peso area, pero we don't know yet. Malay naman natin kung magtuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo above the 7 peso area. So check po natin yan, and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung support ng ating mga buyers dito, and especially mga foreign investors. I hope na pumasok pa rin po sila kasi napakaganda po ng mga catalyst na nakikita natin dito kay AC Energy. Especially plano pa lang yung mga projects nila by next year, pero sunod-sunod na po yung pasok ng ating mga investors dito kay AC Energy. So check po natin yung mga mangyayaring mga candlesticks dito kay AC Energy in the coming days. So far, hold nyo pa rin po yan ito si AC Energy. Uptrend pa rin po siya. Then, nakikita po nating maximum dito is 7 pesos. Pero depending po sa target price ninyo kung ano yung gusto ninyo sa kanya. And sa mga papasok, medyo i-hold nyo muna siya. Medyo nasa mid or going end na tayo ng box na kinikreate natin kay AC Energy as of the moment. So check nyo po maigi yung magiging options natin para sa kanya. And that's it for today. Kung nagustuhan nyo po itong video na ito, please don't forget to like it and share it as well para mapagbigay insights din po tayo sa iba. At sa mga bago pong nanonood ng video na ito at sa mga patuloy na sumusubaybay po sa ating channel, I am inviting you to please subscribe on this channel para maging updated po kayo sa mga bagong videos na nilalabas po natin, particularly sa mga insights na binibigay po natin sa ating mga stocks. Maraming salamat po sa oras ninyo. I'll see you soon. QRepubliC.